Hey guys, welcome into my channel. Welcome to part 2 of the spring twist crochet hairstyle. In part 1, I showed you all how I got the individual look braiding pattern for this hairstyle. And in this video, I'll show you how to install the crochet. So this crochet is a spring twist crochet that I cut into a bob. If you haven't catched part 1, I just wanted to show you how my braiding pattern looks. I did the individual look, so I did plaits in different sections, and I did this around the entire perimeter of my hair. Make sure to check out that video as I give you some tips and tricks that I learned along the way. To start the crochet method, you want to have the crochet tool and put it down underneath that braid and put your crochet loop into the hook, and then you swoop it through and then open up that loop and then put the end of the crochet hair through that loop and then tighten it as well as you can to the scalp, and then you just repeat this process. This hair is so springy, like I just love it. Since I'm really trying to go for the individual look here, I really tried to be intentional in putting each crochet piece right on that box, so to speak, of the parted hair. And then you just repeat that process. This really is the simple part. This part goes by super fast. After I finish doing this front and parameter portion, I really just fill in the gaps where I see fit, and I'll show you how I put the crochet around the bigger braids in the back. I will say, out of all the crochet hairstyles I've done, spring twist was definitely the most challenging, only because the loop would always get like tangled and puffy and just bad looking. Like this one right here, you can see that there's some sticking out, and so I had to take out the whole thing and put it back in all together, but I couldn't use that one anymore because it was ruined. I had to use another one. So I was just wondering if y'all had the same experience with spring twist, or maybe it was just this brand of hair. I don't know. Let me know. I was so happy. All of the packs that came with it was enough to cover my whole head, despite all of the damaged ones I had to throw away. This is the finished look, you guys. I was so happy with it. These spring twists are so cute, and I decided to go with a nice little color this time. I'll put all the information for the spring twist and the color and the length of the spring twist down below. The length is 8 inches, a really nice bob length. I do like this length. I would have cleaned up some of the ones that I put in the back just because they're a little bit longer than the rest, just to level it out. I just wanted to show you guys how versatile it is. You can put this up into a half bun. You can put this up into a full ponytail. I really do like that whole braiding pattern that I did. It took way longer than normal, but I think for the versatility aspect of some crochet, it really paid off, because all too often we wear crochet and think like our big braid is going to show or something like that. You really don't have to worry about that with these. And so because of my job, guys, I had to cut them shorter, or I had to figure out how to stuff them into a bun. So I just went ahead and decided to cut them a bit shorter using 2 mirrors, like you see the mirror behind me. So I, at first, didn't know how much I liked it, but then I started feeling it. So yeah, I'm really glad on how it came out. And to this day, I'm still rocking this really, really cute, nice and short bob. But either way, if you want to get 8 inches and rock it like that, or if you want to cut it, it's going to look fly, girl. Oh, and just to add, I did not dip it or dunk it or do anything to the ends after I cut them, so they will not unravel, in case you were wondering. Let me know down below what you like better. Do you like shorter hair or do you like longer hair? By default, I have to wear shorter styles or styles that I can neatly put in a bun, but I do definitely look forward to wearing some longer styles. I may do one for you guys for the winter holidays, so be on the lookout for that. Thank you so much for watching part 2 of this series. If you haven't already, make sure you check out part 1. And if you have, thank you so much. And make sure you all subscribe so you can see new videos, new uploads every week.